Okay, guys, we got the color green. I hope you love it. Okay, my brother's here. Say hi.
I'm okay.
Hi. He just said something, but so we got the color green because we had to skip yellow because
There's no yellow.
I know.
So what's next?
So the next color is blue. So we're gonna have some magic happen here. I got it. So the magic always works. Like I had magic on red, orange, green, and blue.
All right, now we're gonna pause. We're gonna pause the video and we're gonna do the rest of this.
Yep.
And yes.
Bye. And we are done. We're gonna go have our dinner and bye.